0.003 divided by 2. Here 2 is a divisor, so it will be helpful for us if we look at the multiplication table of 2. 2 times 0 0, 2 times 1 2, 2 times 2 4. Look, to find out the multiplication table of 2, just add 2 with the previous step. 0 plus 2 2, 2 plus 2 4, 4 plus 2 6, 6 plus 2 8. Look, 2 goes into 0, 2 goes into 0 0 times. Write 0, 0 times 2 0. If you subtract, you are getting 0. Bring down this 0. But before this 0, there is a decimal. Decimal must come to the quotient directly. 2 goes into this 0, 0 times. 0 times 2 0. If you subtract, you are getting 0. Bring down this 0. 2 goes into this 0, 0 times. 0 times 2 0. If you subtract, you are getting 0. Bring down this 3. So now 2 goes into 3 how many times? 2 goes into 2 times 2 4. So which is getter? 1 times 2 times 1 2. Let's 1. 1 times 2 2. If you subtract, you are getting 1. To continue process, you can add here tailing 0. As this is a decimal number, so you can add any number of tailing 0. Bring down this 0. 2 goes into 10 how many times? 5 times 10. Write 5 here. So 5 times 2 10. If you subtract, you are getting 0. That is, your answer is 0.0015.